All right, hello, welcome back. Today, our objective is to take a look at some real world applications to consider the area of the square. Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, let's take this scenario for an example. Christy has a 3-year-old son named Sam. Sam likes to draw all over everything. One day, he decided to draw on the living room wall. When Christy noticed it, she blurted, "Oh no!" and shook her head. Christy took out her Apple iPhone 8 Plus, right? Because you got to have an Apple iPhone 8 Plus, and she used a measuring app to find the dimensions of the square slash rectangular shape space she needed to paint over. After measuring, she found that the length was 10 inches and the width was 10 inches as well. Now she knows that the space is a true square shaped space. She can now calculate the area of the wall she needs to cover with paint because she only wants just enough paint to cover Sam's drawing. Can you help Christy find the area of the space she needs to paint? Okay, and the answer is yes, I can help Christy. All right, so now what I'm going to do over here in order to help Christy, I'm going to visualize or imagine that this was my square shaped space that I have to paint. And if you can see Sam over here, looks like he's still marking stuff up. Okay, so if I look at the problem, it tells me that the width of this space that I need to cover with paint is 10 inches, and also the length that I need to cover with paint is 10 inches. And that's how Christy knew that this was a true square. Okay, so I'm going to use this space that's provided here. Okay, and so I know that this is 10 inches here, the length here. Okay, or the width here, sorry. And I know that the width is also, or the length is also 10 inches as well. Okay, so now can I find the area of this space that I need to cover with paint? Oh, yeah. So to find the area of that space, I take my length times my width, and I get 10 times 10, which is 100 inches squared. Okay, 100 inches squared is this area right here. So now Christy can go into Lowe's and buy just enough paint so that she can cover up all this mess that Sam has created. Okay, so now guess what? You just saved Christy a lot of money because now she won't have to go in there and buy too much paint. And if you've been in Lowe's lately, you know that Lowe's paint is very expensive. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in today. Please make sure you check out the next video that's coming up. All right, so next we're going to be expressing the area with polynomial expressions. All right, thank you guys.